clear that I am going to start history optional. And before I start narrating all the great aspects of history as optional, I will tell you four things. First thing, one-time investment. One-time investment. Once Akbar is prepared, there will be no addition in it. Once Ashoka is prepared, there will be no addition in it. One-time investment. Second, 70% of its syllabus is in GS. Culture of India, modern India, world history. Third, very lucid subject. Very lucid. It's very easy. Very interesting. Generates your momentum. 24/7. You will start playing with the characters. Today, most of the UPSC aspirants are suffering from depression because they have no character to enjoy. You go and check before 1991 the success rate of the IAS officers. 90% of them had history as an optional. Fourth, all aspects, all aspects, 5 marks. I'll not say any big word about it. You have already seen, you have already enjoyed. So 15th of December, 17th of December, 9 to 12 p.m. 9 p.m. to 12 p.m. the session will start, and the first class will be the introductory class to tell you and inform you about all the noble aspects of history as optional. Thank you.